This is page 3 of your 1.3 notes. First, we're going to do practice from what we did the day before. I would like for you to do number 1. The first thing you're going to do is label this guy. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. And it says to find the distance. So you're going to use this distance formula, plug it in, and figure out what it is. You're going to have an exact answer, which will be under the square root sign, and then you'll square root it and get an approximate answer that'll have a decimal in it. After you do number 1, look down at number 6. I need you to do number 6 next. Remember, X1, Y1, X2, Y2. To solve this one, you'll use the midpoint formula, and remember that you'll do the x's, and then you'll put your answer right here, and then separately, you'll do the y's and put your answer right there. So do 1 and 6. When you're done with that, we're going to flip back to page 2. All right, this is page 2 of your 1.3 notes. And we need to do number 6. I'm going to show you how. So we have to read the words, and I need to draw a picture to figure out what's going on. So find the coordinates of A if M is -1, 2 is the midpoint of AB. So that just told me that M is the midpoint of AB. And it also tells me that M is -1, 2. B has the coordinate of 3, -5. And we have a problem. We don't know A, we just know it's X and Y. All right. So before we get started, we need to label our parts. We've got X1, Y1. This is the answer, -1, 2, because remember we're looking for the middle usually, and this is X2, Y2. So we're going to go back to that same midpoint formula. Midpoint's going to equal. We're going to use that midpoint formula like we used yesterday. So I'm going to look at the information that I drew out, and we're going to figure out how to put things in. So first, let's work on the x's. So I'm looking for x1. Well, I look over here. X1 is an x. I don't know what it is, so I'm going to write x plus X2, well, that one got a label. That's a 3. Divided by 2. Okay, and then it will equal, but good news, we know what the X equals. Right here. It equals that -1. So it equals -1. Okay, now let's write the Y problem. The Y problem starts with Y1. When I look over here at my chart, Y1 is just a Y. I don't know what it is, so I'm going to write Y plus Y2. Oop, it's got a number. It's -5 divided by 2 equals, and our Y answer, our midpoint, is a 2. All right, so now all we have to do is solve this, and I know we know how. We want to get the x alone, so let's move that 2 by multiplication. Now I have x plus 3 equals -2. Subtract 3. I'm going to write it just right here. X equals -5. All right, so I got my coordinate over here. I know that the x is -5. Okay, again, let's multiply 2 y plus -5 equals 4. I gotta add 5. Y equals 9. So we figured out that this end piece would actually be -5 and 9. I'm going to help you get set up on number 8, and then I would like for you to solve it. So let's draw our picture together. Find the coordinate of R if Q is the midpoint of PR. So Q is the midpoint of P and R. Q is -1, 3. And remember that that's going to be our answer. That's the middle. And P is 5, 6. That's X1, Y1. And R is X2, Y2. And we don't get any numbers for it, so that's just what we're going to have to call it. So now let's set this up. It starts, the equation up top that you probably have hopefully written on your paper starts with x1. So 5 plus x2, well, we don't know, it's just a x, so that's okay. X divided by 2 equals, our x answer is right here, -3. You'll solve that just like we did up above, and then you'll get a second one. We'll do the y's. y1, which is a 6, plus y2, which it doesn't have a number, so we just say y, divided by 2 equals, the y answer is 3. After you solve those, you'll put your answer in a coordinate form. When you're done with that, I need you to get out your vocabulary paper and flip to page 2. On page 2 of your vocabulary, I need you to copy down these two, distance formula and midpoint formula. All the others you should have. When you're done with that, there's a quiz I need you to take. I need you to take the 1 through 1 3 quiz. It's two-sided, 1 through 15. Thank you.